What is up, my babies, and welcome back to my channel. As y'all can tell by the title, today we are working with Beauty Forever. I did purchase a 13 by 4 lace front wig. I do believe this is an 18-inch, and it is in the color Auburn, as y'all can see. So y'all know we love the goodies. So in the goodie bag, it just comes with a bonnet, a edge wrap band, and a brush, a makeup brush, and some cute lashes, of course. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. I've already done my ball cap method off camera. So I'm trying a new angle, just because I wanted to do just like a different scenery. So I hope this is a pretty good angle. But if you guys want to see a more in-depth tutorial on how I do my ball cap methods, it's really nothing too crazy, it's nothing too crazy, okay? But if y'all want to see that video, just let me know and I will make sure that I include that into my next hair video. So I am not going to be using glue to glue my wig down. I'm just going to be using some adhesive spray, and this is the Auburn brand. And I've never used the red can before, so this is my first time. As of right now, when I'm recording this voiceover, it is like a week later and it is still hanging in there, y'all. I did have to do a little touch-ups, every different spot, but so far it is hanging in there pretty well, I would say. So I will say that I do think I prefer to have a 13 by 6 frontal, only because I've really been enjoying my side parts. And with the 13 by 4, you really do not get a lot of, you really can't part your part very deep, really not deep at all with the 13 by 4. I'm not sure why that is, but you really only get the parting space in the middle. Like if you're doing a middle part, then you are fine with a 13 by 4. But if you are like me, and you like your side parts every now and then, I definitely would suggest a 13 by 6. So yeah, that's just a tip if you are looking to get a frontal wig for the first time, or but just thought I would throw that out there. So I'm just using my blow dryer. I think I use the medium setting to melt in that spray a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just I'm gonna comb the hair, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna press the comb down into the lace so that the lace is kind of melting into my skin, I guess you could say. Y'all can tell that I'm not the best at these voiceovers because I don't know how people do this. I just can't. But yeah, so I've already cut the ear tab off, and I'm just blow drying again, of course. And I did get a lot of compliments on this hair, y'all. Like, I love this color. I was really going for a more ginger color, but when I saw the Auburn, I was like, that's cute. Let me try that. So that's what we did, and I have been loving it, y'all. Like, I love this color. I definitely want to kind of branch out and try some like actual colors, like maybe pink or just some different colors, and just get out of my comfort zone, because now that I work from home, I am able to do whatever I want to do to my hair, and I don't have to worry about being in code, in dress code. So yeah, so I'm super excited to try some new colors, new styles. Like, I am super excited. Yo, I have not used spray, adhesive spray, in a long time. So if y'all see me kind of like, struggling, it's because I probably was a little bit, because I've been using glue, and yeah, so I had to get back in the in the swing of things. But as y'all can see, it's giving scalp. I'm not sure if I mentioned this already, but this wig did come pre-plucked, but I did plug more once I got it, because I wanted a little bit more, just so that it's to my liking. And yeah, that's what I did. And so I'm just adding some makeup to the lace just for it to blend a little bit more. But so far it looks good. Like, it looks so good. I kind of surprised myself with this one. Like, I tried a new method with the plucking, and I think this is the one, y'all. I think this is the one. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do some baby hairs. I definitely could have went without the baby hairs, but I'm a baby hair kind of girl, and yeah, give me the baby hairs. If you do not have a hot comb, I highly, highly, highly suggest you having a hot comb. Literally, the hot comb is key to a flat install. For me, personally, I cannot do an install without my hot comb. Okay, so right here, y'all can see the parting space that I was talking about. Literally none whatsoever. So I'm kind of finessing it in a way because I always do a middle part and I really want a side part. So I'm just trying to finesse it the best way that I can. But yeah, none whatsoever, y'all. Like none. If this was a 13 by 6, this would have 8, okay? It would have 8, but hey. I love this big look, y'all. Like the big messy look, that's definitely like more my style. Like I love messy hair. So now I'm just going to take my wax stick for my baby hair so that I can curl it. That is a key product for me, is my wax stick. And I'm trying not to burn myself, y'all, but I'm just curling my baby hairs so they can get like a little bit more fluff to them. You can curl your baby hairs up or under, totally up to you, whatever, you know. Whatever works for you, but I just curled them up for some reason this time. Sometimes I'll do it the opposite way though. But yeah, I'm just doing my little baby hairs, y'all. So I decided to do some light curls with my flat iron. They are super cute. Yes, period. I love this color, y'all. It's so freaking cute. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see a more detailed video on how I achieved this look with my lace, because it's definitely given. If you want a more in-depth tutorial or video on that, make sure that you leave me a comment down below and I'll make sure that I can make that happen for y'all. But that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye y'all.